Okay, this is something that's really cool that I found at a model train show of all places. What this actually is, this is a headlight from an interurban train, and not just an interurban. It is most likely have come off of the Chicago Aurora and Elgin, likely an interurban coach. Something similar like this one, you could see the grab handle on there and then the base, but it's just slightly different than compared to the one that I have here. Some interesting things that I did see is that there on both sides there's these red painted arrows on there. I'm not really sure why they are there. And very faintly here on the tag it says Ohio Brass, and some codes that are on here for some modification thing that I was told about. And looking on the back you could see very faintly some red paint and number 207 on the back, which in this book shows a car number 207 being a 1905 Niles car, but it could be from something else. Here's the original bulb. Now adapter with the new bulb.